So how often and when should you use the device? AirPhysio should be used in the morning when you wake up 10 times. That actually helps to open the lungs up after you sleep, because as we sleep laying on our back, we can have the airways that actually close down. So this just reinflates all the airways, helps to improve breathing, and actually helps to improve energy levels throughout the day. Second time you should use it is actually 1 hour before you go to bed. The reason this is important is the product actually continues to work after you use it. Up to 30 minutes afterwards, you may induce a cough. Doesn't always induce a cough, but if you start coughing 30 minutes after you use the device, it could wake you up if you actually don't allow that 1 hour before you go to bed. The third time is actually if you have a respiratory illness that you use aerosol medication, is to use it after the medication is used. The reason behind that is the device actually helps to create wind shearing and actually helps to redistribute the medication within the lungs to make it more effective after using the device.